Welcome to the learning journey accelerating gender equality and social inclusion in ecosystems restoration. Your practical guide to mainstreaming gender equality and social inclusion into sustainable land management and restoration. This journey recognizes that gender inequality and discrimination stands in the way of effective restoration. In this journey, we explore how gender equality gaps and experiences of power and oppression link to social dimensions, including gender, disability, ethnicity, indigenous identity, and others. Shapes people's relationship with ecosystems and their participation in the restoration efforts. Whether you're a policy advisor, a project implementer, or working in community-based restoration, one truth cuts across all settings. Restoration is more effective, more equitable, and more enduring when it works for everyone. Successful restoration is deeply connected to social inclusion. When we fail to consider who is included and who is left out, we risk undermining both social justice and ecological outcomes. This journey highlights what's working and what still needs to change. When it comes to empowering women and other underrepresented groups, shifting social norms and ensuring that all people benefit from restoration investments. Together, we'll explore why social inclusion and gender equality matter for restoration success and what happens when we overlook them. How intersectionality shapes experiences of power and how to analyze overlapping identities. Critical strategies for inclusive participation, land rights, and traditional knowledge integration. Building ecosystem change through policies, capacity, and institutions. Tools and indicators to monitor progress for gender equality, women's empowerment, and inclusion of diverse social groups. Let's begin with the foundational question. Why does gender equality and social inclusion matter in restoration? And what happens when we get it right?